How to create these thumbnails. Open Photoshop and your image. Click at the text tool and write your text. Holding Ctrl, click at the text layer to select pixels. Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-D to deselect. Create a new layer and go to Filters, Vanishing Point. Create your perspective. Ctrl-C to paste the text. Drag it inside the perspective you created. Press Ctrl-T to scale the text the way you want. Press Enter and double-click at the new layer you created before. Hold Alt and click here to separate the handles. Adjust them accordingly to make the text blend with the background. Just erase any overlap to create the sensation you are writing over the text. And here you go. If you liked the video, please consider to subscribe.